In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Wix. This process is simple and ensures that visitors to your site can easily get in touch with you or provide you with crucial information. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix.com website and sign in. Enter your credentials and gain access to your account. This is your starting point to manage and edit your website. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, click on Select and Edit Site. This will bring you to a list of your current projects. Choose the site you'd like to edit by clicking on it. This takes you directly to your site's design settings. Next, head over to the Design Site option. You'll find this option generally on the main menu or dashboard. Clicking it will bring you to the Wix website editor, where you can really start to customize your site. In the editor, find and click on the Add Elements button, usually marked by a plus icon. This allows you to see all the elements that you can add to your site. Now, in the search bar that appears at the top, type Contact Form. This will present you with various templates and styles for contact forms that Wix offers. Browse through the available styles to find one that suits your site's aesthetics and needs. Once you've found the perfect contact form, select it by clicking on it. With your form selected, click on Edit Form to start customizing it to your needs. Begin by selecting the fields you want in your form. First, consider including a first name field. A last name field is also a good addition to personalize communications from your visitors. Next, make sure to include an email field. This is crucial as it will be your primary means of reaching out to them. You can also add a phone number field if you prefer communications via phone or text. Once the essential fields are set, consider adding a description to provide context or instructions. This could be a short sentence explaining what you will use the gathered information for, ensuring transparency and building trust with your audience. Finally, after customizing your contact form to your satisfaction, you can conclude the process by clicking on the Submit button. This ensures that all your changes are saved and that your contact form is live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact form to your Wix website, enabling visitors to connect with you easily and efficiently. Remember, maintaining an easily accessible contact form can significantly enhance user interaction and satisfaction on your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your website development journey on Wix.